Learn from your mistakes. Why? Because they are not mistakes. They are your experiences. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Parul Singh, your coach for life. And once again, we are coming again with a new topic, that is mistakes. Guys, what usually we teach our kids when they are small, when they make a mistake, we usually tell them that it's okay, ho gaya galti. What to do now? Just move on. Learn from that mistake. What mistake you have done, why you have done that mistake. Take the lesson from that mistake and move forward so that in future you can take that example from that mistake and don't make the mistake again. But as we grow up in our life, as we grow up in our own experiences, we stop taking this teaching for our own self. Whatever we teach to our kids, we forget to learn as a elder grown people to implement in our own life. And we usually, when make mistake, or the other person who are there in front of us make mistakes, we either don't forgive them, or we take them as in ki this person is a bad person, or ourselves we are the bad one because we make mistakes. But guys, this is not the thing. The life does not go forward like these things. Mistakes are being in the very natural part of human beings. As a human being, we all make mistakes, but that doesn't stop our life. In fact, that does not tend to stop our life. And when that does not tend to stop our life, what we have to do is we have to just take the experiment, take the experience from that mistake, take the learning from that mistake and move forward. Move forward in our future, move forward in our whatever we are doing. And in future, if any such situation of same kind happen, we take the example of that mistake and don't tend to repeat those things, because whenever you are not taking the lesson from the mistake, it will keep on repeating. Sometimes you have heard people, यार एक ही चीज पता नहीं बार बार क्यों हो रही है, या why I am getting a repetitive type of clients, या why I am getting same number of same aspect of relationships in my life there, because whatever you are doing is you are not taking the lesson from your past mistakes. You are just moving forward, but not able to recalling whatever you have done, or it might be possible that you have put it into your subconscious brain as attaching a wrongness to that this is a big mistake I have done. I will not repeat this thing. I'm not going to make such relationships because this is a big mistake, or I'm not going to make such partnership with deeds because these are big mistakes. Mistakes are a part of emotion. Mistakes are a part of pattern. The thing is, you have to pick why you have attracted that relationship or why you have attracted that particular partnership. There you have put a mistake in terms of maybe losses, or in terms of maybe the not a balanced relationship. But the thing is, learn the lesson why you have attracted that and move forward so that in another future aspect you don't receive the same thing. When you vibrate at a higher level, you will receive the same frequency at a higher level. But obviously, that need a lot of working on yourself. Need a lot of experiments on yourself, and experiment means mistakes. Unless and until you are going to experiment on yourself, that means you have stagnated your energies. You have put yourself in a very safe shell की ना तो मैं इस shell में से निकलूंगा और ना ही गलतियां होंगी. No, your life is not going to work like this way. होंगी गलतियां, that's completely okay. You are a human being. You are a being in a human form where you are tend to make mistakes. So be easy with your mistake. First of all, forgive yourself or the other person who is making the mistake. Take the lesson and move forward. So guys, this is something very day-to-day topic we are discussing in every video we are doing on a regular basis. So any further video updates, just subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want any assistance where you were thinking that I'm not able to forgive my mistake, or I'm not able to move forward in my life, how to move forward in my life, you can book your personal sessions on the given number on this screen. Thank you.